Imagine you're in the cafe in Paris and you want to ask for the bill or the coffee in French. But wait, which word do you use for the? Lo, la, l'apostrophe? When you want to say the coffee in French, you will say le café. Lo is used before singular masculine nouns. For instance, le garçon or le chat. When you wish to say the girl, it becomes la fille. La comes before singular feminine nouns, such as la fleur or la voiture. What if the noun we are talking about starts with a vowel, like école? In these cases, we omit O and we use l'apostrophe instead. For example, l'école, l'ami. When referring to multiple objects or people in French, we use le. For instance, le livre, les fleurs. In summary, we use definite articles in French to talk about specific people or things.